He has a piece of tape on his nose.
Really, Brian? Oh, it's sneezing at me. Have you ever put hairspray on him? I have. Russell, this way. Come this way. Get it off. Get it off.
Get the tape off.
It's almost off. Get it. Get it. He's mad. He's tap dancing.